All right, here we go. I'm going to try to get them all right this time. 4 has the following square roots. All right, now they're trying to trick you to see if you'll go, which route you're going to say here. Square root is basically, the answer would be this number times itself gives you this number, so that should be this answer. All right. Okay, they're trying to see if you understand how to combine just the coefficients of this, so it should be negative 5 root 3. Alright, they're trying to see if you understand this is root 4 times root 5, which would simplify to 2 root 5. There's a good detractor there. There's a good bad response there. That's a good bad response there. Alright, I'm up to the 4th question. I don't really see that it's really getting all that much more challenging, but that's 2 minus 3. Some students refuse to accept the fact that expressions involving square roots could ever be negative. Alright, what's the best number, whole number estimate there? We're supposed to know that root 49 is to the left and root 64 is to the right. It's closer to root 49, so I'm going to say it's 7. Alright. 23 plus root 144. I know that 12 squared is 144. So 12 and 23, I guess, would be 35. Again, since this one really isn't dynamically generated, if I miss these, I just have to remember the answers. They're trying to see if you know what the definition of rational is. This is not rational because I will have a square root left in my answer, same as this. Pi is one of the first numbers that you get to meet that's irrational. That makes sense, other than the square roots. I do know this is the square root of 11 squared, so that's the only one that can be expressed using a fraction, whole number, or integer. Alright, I've almost won the game. Okay, we're really testing to see if you can simplify radicals here. There's 2 routes you could have taken. The route I would suggest most students do is to divide the numbers with the fractions first. So if I divide by 7 here, I'm going to get 2 over 9. I know that, or the square root of 2 over the square root of 9. And if I take the square root of 2, nothing happens. But if I take the square root of 9, I get 3. They're really trying to see if you knew how to simplify a radical that involves a fraction. Okay, that was a little bit more challenging. So I guess it does get a little bit harder. Here, we're trying to test to see if we can mix together the ideas together. If you multiply these 2 numbers together, you get root 90, which would obviously have the square root of 9 times the square root of 10 in it, which would be 3 root 10. The harder process would be to try to break this down into root 3 times root 2 and root 3 times root 5. And your root 2 and your root 5 would combine to give you root 10, and your 2 root 3s would give you root 3. Or 3. Alright, I'm 1 away from winning the game. Pretty low level. Ooh, here's an application problem. Okay, I might have liked to see what was the length of the diagonal, just as like a trick, and they didn't even put that as a detractor here. I know that 169 is 13 squared, so it's got to be 13. And then we get to see what it looks like when you win. Look, the same looking check with just a different number on it. Alright, that's how you can win the game of 100 Air. Thank you for watching.